lessons for the nurses. Hi, I'm Candace, founder of Candace Lee Yoga. Nurses have such an incredible job. They are often overworked, exhausted, and spread themselves so thin they oftentimes don't have time to take care of themselves. So again, this one's for you. Please take a moment and receive. Start with your feet on the floor, sitting in a chair, or maybe sitting right down on the floor, wherever you're most comfortable, and find your breath. Take a breath in and out, and keep repeating this rhythm. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Deep breath in, deep breath out. The more you practice that simple inhale and exhale, the quicker your body will learn to respond to it. In the meantime, just notice where you are today. Notice your energy today. If it's high, low, focused, sleepy. Maybe you'll find the opportunity to soften your eyes and bring your breath a little deeper and a little deeper. Perhaps you'll notice your shoulders start to soften and you're sitting up a little taller. Stay right here and simply feel your breath. Maybe even pause to continue this inhale and exhale, or join me in some small movements. Centering myself on the chair, making space for some movement around me, reaching up and down, reaching up and down. You might notice I'm taking this time to rotate my arms, my palms up and down. That feels good for you. You might discover yourself doing the same. Your hands don't necessarily need to come all the way over your head. Just simple. Keep it simple. Lift them up. Breathing in. Send it down. And breathing out. Now we're going to come to the center. Try to keep the lower part of your body stationary and isolate the movement with your rib cage. It might be a small amount, it might be a little bit bigger movement, reaching to the right and to the left. Trying to isolate the movement side to side. Keep breathing. Maybe start adding that rotation, palm up and palm down. If the shoulders are fatiguing, bring it down. All the way down. Your arms are down low. Ooh. Feel that in your shoulders. Round the shoulders. Pull forward, up and back. Forward, up and back. Forward, up and back. Beautiful. Again. Pause. Notice any tension starting to move, that energy starting to shift. Next, we're going to take a twist. I'm going to give myself a little more space in my chair to make this movement, crossing one arm over the front and one arm reaching towards the back. This is a space, or maybe you even explore the range of motion, turning your chin to reach in the direction of your front shoulder and your back shoulder. Stay with your breath. Notice if you're twisting with all your might, try to release just a little bit. Practicing being a little softer. Switch sides, coming back through center, making any adjustments in your chair. Opposite arm crosses front, opposite arm reaches back. Finding your breath. Beautiful. Come to center. We're going to move into a forward fold. That forward fold might have you keeping your legs right center of you to rest. Resting your forearms on your knees or the upper leg bones. If you feel like you want to take this a little bit deeper, make space. Beginning to find your way, bringing your head upside down, if that's okay in your neck. Pay attention to how you're feeling. If this is feeling beneficial for your body. Slowly, we're going to make our way back up from wherever you landed. Bringing your body back up nice and tall, nice and tall. Moving your body backwards, forwards, a little bit side to side. Find your center again. Find your center again. Then you round your back and sit up tall. Round the back and sit up tall. One more round the back and sit up tall. Deep breath in and out. Try your best to let go of muscle tension. Create some space, create some ease. We're going to bring this opposite, one leg up. So we'll do both sides. So bring one leg up, ankle to cross over your opposite knee. Again, sitting up tall. If this is enough sensation, stay right here. If you find there's room for a little bit more, maybe you start leaning your heart towards your shin. enjoying this kind of a stretch in your hips. We're going to switch sides. Stretch in your hips. We have other practices available on the channel, as well as I'd love to hear from you. Switch sides again, leaning forward. Just drop a comment down below and say, yes, I need more hips, This was great. Same thing with shoulders. And that will help me know what else to create for you. You really need the most. Deepen the breath, relaxing the shoulders. Beautiful. Let's release that side. Now, giving yourself a little bit of a space, stretching out the legs here. Again, remembering this is a shorter practice today. Stretch out one leg in front of you, maybe hinge forward for a little bit of the back of the leg stretch, and then switch. This is a welcome to our nurses playlist, yoga for nurses. Switch sides. I want to thank you very much for everything that you do for our community. I know for a very long time you've been short-staffed and overworked. Come on back to center. So if through yoga there is a way that I can support you, again, make sure to like this video so I know you're out there, so I know that this is helping you, and then drop a comment down below. Move your spine again. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Beautiful. Get comfy. Sit up tall. We're going to pause and end our practice right here. Feel your feet on the floor. Maybe soften your eyes and relax your shoulders. Bowing to yourself, to all the effort that you give to the world. I wish you all the peace, love, and gratitude. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining today. We'll see you next time.